Hello viewers, today we will learn how to administrate the antibody cocktail for COVID-19, and this is the box pack. Let us see what is inside the box pack. It comes with ice pack. All the descriptions and storage and infusion rates are in description, you can check. Now it comes with a ice pack. It's from company Roche, and it should be stored in between 2 to 8 degrees centigrade. And this is the unboxing of the antibody cocktail. Now we'll see what inside. The box contains Casirivimab 120 mg and Imdevimab 120 mg injection. It is the actual box packing from the company we have received. Now there is a huge literature inside. So let us see what the literature says. After reading all the literatures, I have extracted the main points which I have given in the description, so you can check all the infusion rates, how to administrate all the things. Now this is the way how the injection vials look like. Now we will see how to administrate this to the patient. This is the infusion rate. All details are in the description box, you can check it. It's very important to record the batch number and the manufacturing dates and batch numbers before administering the drug, and you must see the drug should be clear, no precipitations, and there is no adulterants, so fluid should be very much clear. Now keep the vial 20 minutes to the room temperature, and now you see the liquid is clear. Now we will start how to administrate the vials. Now we have taken 0.9% of normal saline, 200 ml of 0.9% normal saline, and put a attachment. Now you take the injections with separate dispovan. So first of all you take Casirivimab 5 ml and then Imdevimab 5 ml separate dispovan, and then you put in and then you mix it to the 200 ml of saline. Remember, you don't shake the vial and don't shake the infusion bottle after mixing the injections. Now we have taken the two injections in two different syringe, and now we will mix it and administer it to the patient. This was 10 ml vial, so we have used only 5 ml from each of the vial, so we can again repack it and put in a ice box, or if you want to keep it in the refrigerator, you can refrigerate it under 2 to 8 degree centigrade for the 28 hours. Now we have mixed the two injections in a 200 ml of NS. Now you just hang the infusion bottle. Don't shake the infusion bottle. Make it air free. And now with the help of a vein plan or a skull vein, you secure a IV line. After a aseptic skin rub, you just put a butterfly needle or a vein plum as per your choice, and then you start this infusion as per given criteria. All infusion rates are in the description box. Now we have started the infusion. Main complication is anaphylactic shocks. If it occurs, then you should treat accordingly with steroids, and if it more complicated, then it can be treated in ICU also. So now it's running with 110 drops per minute till, and you also measure the saturation and the pulse rate. Now it's showing 94 to 95. Thanks for watching the video.